Subscribe the channel for more videos and press the bell icon to never miss an update. Hello friends, so in this video we'll create NPV profile. So what is NPV profile? It's basically net present value is calculated at various discount rates and then it is plotted on the graph. The discount rate is used on the x-axis and on the y-axis the NPV is plotted. So a downward sloping line is generated by using this. So we're gonna create the same in the Excel, and for you want to know if how NPV is calculated, then just watch the video. The link is shown above. So let's start with it. So we have taken two projects A and B with cash flows. These are the cash flows we have with ourselves. So now what we have done is we have taken a multiple discount rates and we have calculated the NPV. So for all the discount rates we have calculated all type of NPVs. So now what we have to do is just select all the data and click on insert and click on scattered graphs and select the scattered graphs. So this is our NPV profile. So we are gonna see what is happening in the chart. So I'm gonna remove the grid lines so we can have a better picture. Data label adding is not a good option. So now we're gonna see what is happening over here. So this is our NPV profile. The blue line is NPVA and the NPVB is orange line. So as the cost of capital or opportunity cost is reducing, the NPV is falling. The reason behind it is the present value, it's discounting at a higher rate, and the point where these lines are intersecting is our crossover rate. Above this, that is 6%. Above 6%, the NPV of B is falling at a lower rate compared to the NPV of A, because cash flows in B, we are receiving cash flows in B in earlier periods. As you can see, most of the cash flows are received in earlier period in project B as compared to project A. So this is the rate at which the NPV of A and B or two projects is equal is known as crossover rate, and where the NPV becomes 0. So in this example, in project 8 it becomes 0 at 10%. So this point is IRR for project A, and this point at 14% around is IRR for project B. So this is the NPV profile chart. Hopefully you got an idea and hopefully you know how to create it on Excel. So thanks for watching. Let me know if any query. Thank you.